Okay, this is my updated bike check with a lot of my new stuff and some old stuff. Okay, so I'll start off with the front. We've got ODI bar ends, ODI long neck grips, Odyssey Air and Rust space bars that are cut down to like 27-ish for bars, and then got the same thing over here. Subrosa stem in white, Subrosa headset, really old Primo Forks, purple Nitrous Doubleshot, front wheel with sealed nitrous hub, same thing. Odyssey P lyte path tire, some Wellgo metal pedals I just put on just for the winter, just because I don't know, I just felt like it. Stolen cranks, just regular stock ones. Got the profile spindle bolts and an Eastern Medusa 25-tooth sprocket with the shadow halflink chain. Loving the chain. Nitrous Doubleshot rear wheel. Just a regular back tire. Steel pegs, just stock. Stolen bottom bracket. We the People seat, and it looks like the Madeira Kevlar, and the shadow wedge pivotal post in white, and I cut my frame with a hacksaw so I can have my seat a lot more slammed. And I've got the Subrosa Salvador dirt frame. And yeah, that's my bike. So here's the hub. I made it louder by taking out all the grease and just spraying like oil in.